Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Jesus Christ English channel. Today, I'm gonna share you 4 sentences. Very cool. I hope you will love it. The first one, they fought over money. በገንዘብ ተጣሉ. They fought over money. በገንዘብ ተጣሉ. Money talks. Money talks. ገንዘብ ኃይል ነው. You are a little tipsy. You are a little tipsy. ትንሽ ሞቅ ያለ ትመስላል. Why was I ever born? Why was I ever born? Why was I ever born? ለምንድን ነው የተወለድኩት? You everyone, I hope you will love this video. And don't forget, subscribe, follow, share, copy link. Please copy link. Thank you. See you next time.